Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In this simple and straightforward guide, we'll walk you through the manual setup process of your Macard Wi-Fi range extender using just your smartphone. Follow these step-by-step instructions to get your extender connected and running in just minutes. Unboxing the Macard Wi-Fi range extender reveals a compact device, user manual, quick setup guide, and reset pin. It's neatly packaged and ready to help boost your Wi-Fi coverage with a quick and easy setup. Plug your Macard Wi-Fi extender into a wall outlet near your main router. Wait for the power LED light to turn solid. If it doesn't, press the power button to turn it on. On your smartphone, go to Wi-Fi settings and look for the Macard extender network. It should be named something like Wi-Fi extender or similar. Tap to connect. No password is needed at this point. Open your browser and in the address bar, type 192.168.10.1. This will take you to the setup interface. If it doesn't load, double-check you're connected to the extender's Wi-Fi. On the login screen, type in the default password, which is admin in all lowercase letters. Make sure there are no spaces or typos. Once entered correctly, click on the login button to continue setup. You'll now see a list of available Wi-Fi networks. Choose your home Wi-Fi network from the list and enter your existing Wi-Fi password when prompted. Then click Connect. Once setup is complete, your extender will restart. Now go back to your phone's Wi-Fi settings and connect to the newly created extended network. It will have the same name as your original network but with _ext at the end. If you face any issues or need assistance, our dedicated support team is ready to help. Don't hesitate to reach out at 1-323-507-3713 for expert guidance and troubleshooting. That's it. Your Macard Wi-Fi extender should now be boosting your signal and eliminating dead zones. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech setup tutorials. Thanks for watching.